Our oldest son was born in Chile. Because my dad had had a stroke a couple of years earlier, my folks couldn't come down. And we tried to convey the joy of this son through pictures, through phone calls. We'd put him on the phone and tickle his tummy. And my parents thought they got it. Well, 3 months later, we came back to the States and drove down to see my parents in Florida. And I'll never forget one moment. It was about the second day. My dad was holding his grandchild in his left side because the stroke didn't work. And my son picked up his finger and began to chew on it. And my mom saw that and pointed out, and my parents threw their heads back and began to laugh. Now, you don't get this kind of intimacy. You don't get this kind of connection in a phone call or a picture or a video. John 1:18 says, "No one has ever seen God, ... But he, Jesus, has explained him." Jesus has brought the infinite God to us. This Christmas, we're celebrating Emmanuel, God with us, and we're saying, among other things, he gives us great joy. Great joy, why? Because we get to know God in a personal way. This season is a busy season. I understand that. But please, don't let the busyness of the season rob you of the joy of the fact that God has come to us in Jesus, Emmanuel, God with us. He has made God known.